Now we are going to solve another differential manometer problem. First you read the question. U2 differential manometer connects two pressure pipe A and B. The pipe A contains a liquid having specific gravity 1.4 under a pressure of 100 kilopascal. The pipeline B contains a specific gravity 0.8 under a pressure of 200 kilopascal. The pipe A lies 2.5 above the pipe B. Find the difference of pressure. Measure height measured by mercury Hg as a fluid filling in the U2. So when the question this is a differential manometer. A differential manometer means you have to calculate the pressure difference. You have to calculate the pressure difference in this problem. The pressure difference means this is the two pressure pipe A and B, which is lies at different level. So first you have to draw the diagram accordingly question. The question, first you see the question is given, the pipe A contain liquid having specific gravity 1.4. This is the pipe A. Okay, the liquid having specific gravity 1.4, and what is the pressure? 100 kilopascal. Then pipe B containing the oil which specific gravity is 0.8 and pressure is 200 kilopascal. Okay, so pipe A, that oil is liquid is flowing which specific gravity 1.4 and pressure is 100 kilopascal. Pipe B, the oil is flowing which specific gravity 0.8 and pressure is 200 kilopascal. But the pipe A lies 2.5 above the pipe B. So pipe A, this is the pipe A and this is the pipe B. Now you observe in the diagram, the pipe A lies 2.5 meter above the pipe B. This is the pipe B. So pipe A lies 2.5 above the pipe B. So this is the 2.5 meter. Okay. Now I hope you understand the question. And this is the reference line CD. Okay. This is the height. This is the height of the mercury. This is the height of the mercury or difference in mercury level. Difference in mercury level in the two limb. Okay. Repeatedly I am showing in the figure this much height. This is the difference of mercury level. This red color will come to here. Okay, not here. This red color will come to here. Okay, this is the height. This is from here to here. From here to here, height. This is the difference in mercury level you have to calculate. Find the difference of pressure. Okay, find the difference of pressure measured by mercury. So this is the find the difference of pressure means difference of pressure measured by mercury. This height you have to calculate from here to from here. Okay. So question is given data. This is the U2 differential manometer. Pressure PA contain pressure at a pressure of the pipe A, that is 100 kilopascal. Then you have to convert into pascal. 100 into 10 to the power 3, that is Newton per meter square. PB, the pressure at pipe B, PB is equal to 200 kilopascal. Then you have to convert SI 200 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter square. The specific gravity of that oil is given 0.8 and the specific gravity of the liquid is given 1.4. Another parameter you have to remember, the specific gravity of the mercury is 13.6. So first you have to convert all the specific gravity to the density of that fluid. So first here the specific gravity of that oil is given 0.8. Then you have to calculate density of that oil. Density of that oil is 0.8 into 1000, that will come 800 kg per meter cube. That is the density of that oil. Then you have to calculate density of that liquid. Density of that liquid is 1.4 into 1000, that is 1400 will come. That value is that the density of that liquid. Then density of that mercury is 13.6. The specific gravity of that mercury is 13.6. Then you have to convert density of that mercury, that will come 13.6 into 1000, that will come 13,600. Then the pipe question is clearly mentioned. Pipe A is 2.5 meter above the pipe B. Okay, and height of the mercury you have to calculate from here to center of the pipe. So this is the center of the pipe B to reference line. That is the height of the mercury you have to calculate. Okay, so first you know that from the bottom line, total left limb pressure is equal to total right limb pressure. So mathematically you can tell PC is equal to PD. So pressure from the left limb. So first from the left limb, this is the pressure of the pipe already given, PA, that is 100 kilopascal. Then you have to convert SI 100 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, that is the PA. Then this height of that liquid you have to calculate, that is the rho 1, density of that liquid into G into height of that liquid. Then plus density of this height, density of that mercury into G into height of that mercury is equal to, this is the left side. Then we will come to the right side. From the right side, first you know that from the right side, this is the pipe B having some pressure, that is the PB. So PB plus density of that oil into G into height of that oil. Okay, so our aim to calculate, this is the differential manometer, so you will calculate the pressure difference, that is the PA minus PB. Already PA PB is given, but here in the problem you have to calculate the height of the mercury. Okay, so how to calculate? First you observe here, first PA clearly mentioned, this is the PA. First I am taking PA in the left side. From the right side, PB I am taking from the right to left. Then what will happen? PA minus PB. So PA value is 100 into 10 to the power 3 minus PB, that is 200 into 10 to the power 3. Okay. Then second, this is the density of that liquid, that is the density of that liquid, that is the 1.4 into 1000. I convert. Okay. Specific gravity of that liquid to density of the liquid, that is 1.4 into 1000 into G is 9.81 and height value is given 2.5 meter. Then I am taking this value from left to right. So when we will take from this value from left to right, we will put the negative sign. So here you observe, this is the, in the diagram you observe the height of that oil. The height of that oil is equal to height of that mercury. If you observe in the diagram, the height of that mercury is equal to height of that oil. Both are equal. So here I am taking, repeatedly I am telling, here the height of the mercury is equal to height of that oil, that is equal to H. I am taking common. H I am taking common. G value I am taking common, 9.81 into density of that oil minus density of that mercury. Okay. So here you observe Here you observe H is equal to 100 into 10 to the power 3 minus, if you calculate this value, it will come 34,335. Okay, so if you calculate this value, okay, this is 1,110 to the power 3. If you calculate this value, you will get 34,335. By this value 9.81 into density of that mercury minus density of that oil, that is the 0.8 into 1000. Because here you see 13.6 means you are taking the specific gravity of the mercury. Here is the specific gravity of that oil. For that reason, you are converting specific gravity to density. For that reason, you are multiplying 1000 here. So finally you are getting H is equal to 0.531244 per meter. So if you want to convert meter to centimeter, then 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, then you multiply 100, then you will get H is equal to 53.12 centimeter. This is the H is equal to height of the mercury level between the two limbs, that is 53.12 centimeter. Okay,